Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward about 3 minutes or stay with us as we say hello. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, Judy. Again, Facebook is playing tricks, so I see that people are joining, but I don't see your names. So, if you want to say hi, do it in the comments, please. Good morning, Jean. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Mary. All right, guys, it's time for us to start. And today we'll do another favorite, a quantum jumping practice. Strictly speaking, it's not a meditation, but a visualization, but quite powerful and fun. And just in case you haven't done it before, this technique was created by Bert Goldman, and it's based on the concept of a multiverse, an infinite number of universes existing at the same time. And in each of those universes, there's a you. For example, in my case, in this universe, I'm a yoga teacher. I work with migraine sufferers or whatever. But there are universes where I am the Queen of England, a drug dealer, a famous painter, a garbage collector. Well, you get the picture. So each of your twin selves or your doppelgangers possess qualities that you may be wanting badly in this dimension. And the idea is that through this quantum jumping practice that we're going to do, you can go into any of these universes, talk to your doppelganger, your twin self, and ask any question you like. For example, if you want to be a successful writer, you can go to the universe where this scenario is already happening and ask your twin self for advice on how to start your writing career. Or if you're a very anxious person, you can go to the universe where your twin self is the calmest person in the world and ask for tips on that. And remember to just have fun with it. There is no way to do it wrong. It's your subconscious mind, your imagination, your experience. So just dive into it and enjoy. Take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, into your heart, into this moment, right here, right now. For this practice, it's probably best to close your eyes so that you can visualize better and just get deeper. Let your breath be nice and soft, completely natural. It's not about focusing on your breath intently. It's just about feeling yourself breathe in and out. Easy, no struggle, allowing all the experiences of the present moment to flow through you as energy. As always with quantum jumping, we'll start getting into a deeply relaxed state with a 3 to 1 count. So close your eyes if you haven't. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, mentally repeat and visualize the number 3 times. 3, 3, 3. At your pace, take another breath, and as you exhale, 2, 2, 2. Another nice and easy breath in, and as you exhale, 1, 1, 1. Visualize or imagine a staircase in front of you, 10 steps going down. I'm going to count from 10 to 1, and on every descending number, you'll visualize yourself going down and feel going inward, entering a pleasant, meditative state of mind, where you'll be able to concentrate fully on one subject. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You are now at a pleasant level of mind where you are able to concentrate fully on one subject. At this time, focus on my words. You are now and always in complete control of your state. You can open your eyes and be fully alert and awake at any time you wish to be. Every time you enter this relaxed state, know that you're going to get better and better in every possible way. You can even repeat after me, mentally or out loud. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. Relax your eyes, your lips, your whole face, your neck and shoulders. Relax your entire body. If you'd like, you can mentally or out loud repeat after me. My body rests and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. I am relaxed now. My body rests and refreshes itself when I consciously relax. I am relaxed now. And now think about that thing that you would like to do in this dimension, something you would like to be successful at. And know that somewhere there is a you, your doppelganger, your twin self, who with a different upbringing, different programming, perhaps even a different education, is successful at what you would like to be successful at here. your doppelganger, your twin self in a parallel universe. This doppelganger is the source of your success, or can be. You're going to visit that person now and see what they have to say to you. I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and a door will appear in front of you. 1, 2, 3. Now imagine that there is a door in front of you, the transit door in that universe, the transit point from which you can jump off wherever you need to learn the information you're seeking. Once again, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and at the count of 3, the door will open and you'll jump through it. 1, 2, 3. The door opens and you come in. The door closes behind you. Take a moment to look around and feel around. And once again, remind yourself that there is no way to do this wrong. So whatever you see or don't see, feel or don't feel is perfect. It's exactly the way it needs to be right now. Just trust that somehow this process will help you. It will work. Now see your doppelganger. If you cannot visualize them, it's okay. Just sense their presence. And ask your doppelganger, your twin self, for advice on whatever it is you're seeking to do. Listen to their answer. It can come in the form of words, images, or just energy. Again, whatever it is, simply trust the process. I'm going to give you about 1 minute to go through this. Enjoy. And now it's time to say thank you to your twin self, to say your goodbye. Once you've done this, go back to the transit door. I'm going to count from 1 to 3 again, and on the count of 3, the door will open, and you'll jump back into this dimension where I am waiting for you. 1, 2, 3. The door opens, you come back. The door closes behind you. Walk back to your staircase, and now you see 10 steps going up. Before we go up, climbing back into the conscious mind, logical mind, take a moment here to integrate whatever you've learned or whatever energy you received behind the transit door. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 10, and on each ascending count, you're going to take a step up, going back to your logical, conscious thinking mind. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. You're at the top of the staircase, back into this moment with a powerful insight. Whether you can verbalize it right now or not, trust that you've received something, a gift that's going to help you achieve whatever it is you're seeking. One last time, I'm going to count from 1 to 3, and on the count of 3, you'll open your eyes and be wide awake and alert. 1, 2, 3. Eyes open, wide awake and alert, feeling wonderfully refreshed, feeling better than you did before. I hope you enjoyed this exploration and got something interesting out of it. Of course, if you'd like to share, let me know in the comments. It'll be fun to see where you went. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.